All right, let's jump right into this video. Today I'm gonna be doing a high ball fade with a number 2 on top. I'm my boy Abram Garcia. He's been coming to me for a long time. Little bro right here, little big bro, cause he's big. He like 6 foot something. But he always lets me do haircut tutorials on his hair. Thank you for letting me do this. Shout out to Drew for shooting this video. Thank you very much. If y'all don't know Drew, follow @KingIcewater on TikTok, and y'all see that I tagged him in a few videos. So we started it off by balding out the sides, getting the sides prepped, taking down the top. After we do this, then we're gonna start the fade process. I always like to start my haircuts with no guard, lever all the way open, and do that all the way around. You can do it to both sides, or you can do it to one side and then do the same to each other side, however you want to do it. But I feel like it's faster if you just do the first guideline all the way around, the next guideline all the way around, and just come back and fade them out. That'll help you out a lot more. As y'all can see, I'm gonna go ahead and fade that bottom line out already so I don't have to worry about it later. And the good thing to do when doing this is when you put your first line in there, you don't want to put it in there real hard. And when you use your shaver, you turn your shaver around and fade up so you won't make that line really hard to get out. After we do this, our next step, we're gonna grab our number 1, put it on there, open the lever all the way up, and we're gonna fade that into the 2 because he has a number 2 on top, so it should be pretty simple. Keep your clipper up at like a 90-degree angle and try to fade up. Grab your half guard, open that lever, soften up that line that was left right there in the middle. Soften it up some, and then close the lever as you need it. I usually close it about halfway, and it'll take it all the way out. Come back with your edgers, edge it all up, and then boom, that fade gonna be on point. If your edges just aren't hitting right, I suggest you take them apart, zero gap them, maybe change out the blade if you need to, and set them right to where they can be hitting like the way mine do, because I like to do designs and everything with my edgers. Make sure they stay on point, and I keep an extra pair for the kids just so I won't hit them with the sharp ones. Put some of that Bandido shaving gel. That stuff smells good. My clients like the way this stuff smells and works really good. You don't have to use a bunch of shaving cream and stuff like that. Kind of looks like Jack Daniels too. That's what he's saying right there. He's like, man, that look like some Jack Daniels. Look like you was gonna give me a shot or something. Last but not least, you're gonna grab that straight razor. Make sure that edge up looks extra sharp. Pull the skin back. Keep your finger behind the razor at all times. Make sure you dispose of each blade after every climb. There you have it. Fresh high ball fade. Knocked them out in probably like 30 minutes. Not even. Peace. Thank y'all for following. Subscribe to the channel.